Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Pinterest. So launch Pinterest app firstly, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here we go. Now once you come here, just tap on account management. Now, over here, you can see that there is no option to change the theme of Pinterest, unlike on other devices. So, if you are using an iPhone device, what you can do is open settings on your iPhone, then go to display and brightness option from settings. Now over here you can see appearance. You can change it to light, and if you want dark theme, just tap on the option of dark. So once you choose the option of dark, and if you go back and open Pinterest application, let's open Pinterest. You can see that the Pinterest theme is on dark mode. So that's how simply you can change your theme on Pinterest account to dark mode. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.